everybody. Now I'm doing my homework. It's like run. Nervous. Don't be nervous. Relax. Business. Just do a lot of business in Vietnam. Special. Special. This is a special local dish. Pleasure. This is pleasure to be here today. It's a two. The secret of speaking good English. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone wants to speak English well. So today, I'm going to talk about the secret of speaking good English. If you want to speak good English, there are several things you must do. You must keep on practicing. You must keep on working hard. You must keep on making mistakes, and you must keep on losing phrases. You learn to speak only by speaking. So, the most important key to speaking good English is speaking. Speak as clearly as possible. Speak as clearly as possible, and speak as quickly as possible. The more you speak, the better your English will be. The more mistakes you make, the more progress you will make. These are the secrets of speaking good English. Everyone can make it. Everyone can be an English speaking genius. Thanks for coming. Goodbye.